to my channel. So in this video today you can see we are going to be doing some air fresheners. Got the heat press, so as you can tell they're going to be sublimated air fresheners. So this is a pack I got from AliExpress, and it's a pack of sublimation blank air fresheners. So they're like foamy blanks, and they come in different shapes and sizes. So I've got the square, we've got rectangles, and then we have circles, hearts. As well as that, in the kit they come with the clear bags to seal them, so once you add your fragrance, and they come with the string. So in this video I'm just going to be doing two of them. I'm going to be doing the square and the rectangle, and what I've got ready to do these is I'm going to be doing photo air fresheners. I've never done these before, so hopefully they'll turn out okay, but I've printed, I'm going to do them double-sided, pictures of my pets. These I printed about 2 days ago, but on sublimation paper, and I'm going to apply these to the blanks and we're going to press. So you need your air fresheners, you need some form of a sublimated image, whether it's photos, whether it's a picture, anything that you want it to be. I've got my Cricut Easy Press 2 here, and I've got that heated up to 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to be pressing for 60 seconds. I have my very stained heat mat. I have some heat resistant tape, and I've got some butcher paper. So it's going to be really simple. We're going to add the first one, and I have, you can't tell with these pictures, but they have been mirrored so that when you place them they'll be the right way up. So I thought I'd measured and cut these to the right size, but clearly not, because I'm slightly too short, but it doesn't matter. So once that's on, get my heat tape, and I'm just going to attach that in a couple of places. And it's the right way up for the picture. So that's the first one, and then the second one we'll do this square. This one you can see I've done big enough. I'm gonna just make sure my image is in the square, and same again. Attach the heat tape. Butcher paper, and place those in like a sandwich. Put that over, and I'm going to press now with my Easy Press for 60 seconds. Just a medium pressure. I'm just literally holding down on it, and we'll see you in 50 seconds. So that's now been done. See if I can touch them. And we're literally going to peel straight off. And what I'm going to do, because they're warping slightly, I'm just going to press them flat. So we're going to do the same, but for the other side. So the opposite side's done, and it's pressed again. And I've got some ink on there. I'm going to be lazy and not turn the page because it's on the other side. I'm not going to get a fresh piece, I'm just going to use that. Let's go again, 60 seconds. So I'm just peeling off and pressing down. So just press down. They're not hot to touch. They are hot, but they're not hot to touch. Whether you want to use something heavy like a book or a weight or something just to keep them flat whilst they cool, what we could do is just take them off the heat mat. And we're just holding them flat. So there they are. It's the first one, and these ones I did slightly too short, but I'm not fussed about that. But it's a double-sided air freshener there, and then there's this one. So all we've got left to do, obviously we'll discard those. Here's the string. I don't know if this is one big bit or do we have to cut it? Let's have a look. So this is one big piece of string. We need to cut it to size. Tie on your string. I'm going to get out a couple of bags. So obviously these are air fresheners, so need to scent them. I've just got a bottle of perfume here. You can use any fragrance. Obviously be cautious that if it's a yellow fragrance it might stain. So I'm going to get a bag ready to put it straight in, because obviously as soon as you do it you want to bag them up unless you're going to use them straight away. To hold in the fragrance. And we're just going to spray a couple of sides of that. And I'm going to pop it straight in the bag. Seal it up. So let's do the same for this one. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. Choose your image, choose which size blank you want, choose your fragrance, spray them, put them in the bag. Once they come out they're going to have absorbed that fragrance, and there you are, you have your own personalised sublimated air fresheners. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick simple video just showing you how to sublimate on sublimation air fresheners. 200 degrees, 60 seconds aside, really quick, job done. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not already then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.